Posible kayang magkaroon ng hot, sexy body without working out? Watch till the end of this video because I'm not just gonna share with you my self-care routine at 54 years old, but the end of this video will tell you what's the secret of having a great, healthy, sexy body at 54 years old without working out.
Coach, permission to shoot you as part of your content creation because I can't help but appreciate you and yung physique mo at 54. Grabe. Gusto ko ma-maintain yung katawan ko sa ganyang age. So what's your secret, Coach?
Unang-una, ipin. Take care of your teeth. Perfect, di ba? Wala. Of course, deodorant. Hindi ko alam bakit. Very important. And what I only have here is actually for my hair. Okay? Because I want to make sure that my hair and tidy looks so maintained. Looks well. So, lagyan na lang konti. Not too much. Para magbukang bagets. So, this is how I comb. Patabas ganon. Abang all, pataas ganon. Pwede na?
Anong sikreto sa six-pack, Coach?
Frequency work. No workout. No dieting. It's just frequency work. Tama na yan!